In today's video, you're gonna need a pair of gloves, and then you're gonna need the correct light bulb size. The part number is 7506. As you can see, I'm gonna upgrade to the LED light bulb. First thing I need to do is pop the trunk. And next, I'm gonna lower the back seat so I can get some headrest. And now I'm gonna crawl into the trunk so I can work on the light bulb. You will just need to turn this knob counterclockwise and the socket assembly will pop right out. And then you'll push down the light bulb, give it a twist, and it should come right off the socket. If you're using traditional light bulb and you happen to touch it with your fingers, just remember to wipe it clean with rubbing alcohol. And now the new light bulb, I'm just gonna push it in, give it a twist, and lock it in. And when you look at the socket, you have these tabs which only fit in one direction into the socket holder. I'm going to take the socket assembly and plug it into the socket holder. And when it's nice and flush, I would turn it clockwise and lock it into place. The last thing I need to do is verify my repair. So I'm going to start my car. Then step down on the brake. And if the light come on, your repair is a success. Click that like button if you found this video useful. Subscribe for future update. And again, thanks for watching.